वास्को ते चिखले रस्त्याच्या रुंदीकरणाक लागून रस्तो खणपाच्या कामाक सुरवात आसा। हे काम चलतना मेंदी, शिपियो, रेंव हांचे अवशेश खणिल्ल्या मातयेत सापडल्या। हाचेर ओशनोग्राफीचे वैज्ञानीक खाते अभ्यास करता म्हण चीफ वैज्ञानीक डॉ. बबन इंगोली उलयला। आरडेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
We are the Chikali residents today, villagers are excited to find this remains of window pane oyster shells embedded into this hillside. This hill has been recently cut for the widening that is happening for the coal transportation that MPT is undertaking. And what we have observed are these are not recent window pane shells. There are 4 layers that we see here, and we want now to find out scientifically how this window pane oyster shells could have come and got embedded into the hill. This is very exciting because the heritage aspect of Chikali that we are promoting, we want to link it to that. And in one of the layer, we even find river sand. If you see here, there is river sand. So along with the window pane oyster, the sand also has got embedded. Now we want the Goa government to initiate a study through the Department of Science, Technology and Environment, how this could have happened and what is the age of this incident.
The remains are of the window pane oysters as well as the shell of the clams. It is a big long layer which can be noticed at least in 3-4 layers. So I feel the biodiversity board has also been in the forefront in declaring this as an ecologically fragile area, the Chikali Bay of course, and this is just opposite, and which has been noticed just at the time of widening of this road. I feel that the government should also take the initiative in going ahead in having a proper study conducted through the NIO or any other such agencies and give a proper report regarding this.
Shells of window pane oyster. These are now a dead one, but once upon a time, at least 2 or 2000 years back, it must have been alive. And this is the evidence which indicate that it is almost 200 meter away from the tide, and it is almost 10 meter height of the present tide. That means around 2000 years back, the tide used to be here and shells were deposited because it comes here and get deposited at the high tide. It very clearly indicates that the fishery of this was lavish during that era, and people in this area were consuming all these oyster as well as all other clams and tisrio, which also indicate that this area is very rich in the fishery resource, which is now also present in this area. Therefore, it is very important to know that what was the condition during that time with respect to the environment and what is the condition today. People even today, thousands of people are dependent on these clams, fishes, crabs from this area, Sankwal and Chikali, and therefore we need collectively to see that these resources is available for the future of our children and the people of Goa.